Do you like Triple H? Yeah, Triple H, mister? What about Sting? Oh, mister, it's okay. And I have bad news for you, though. Brace yourself, okay? Sting's gonna beat Triple H at WrestleMania. Well, did you hear me? I think you just burped. No? You don't want that to happen? No? Do you want Triple H to beat Sting? Yeah? Sting's gonna win, though. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, Sting's gonna win. Not Triple H this time. I'm sorry. Is that okay with you? Can you let it go this time? I know Triple H is your favorite. Yeah.